Good morning, students. Welcome you Shaukat Ali Chemistry classes. Today we start a new topic, Group 17 or 7th A group elements called halogen family. The group 17 or 7th A of the periodic table consists of 5 elements: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and acetylene. They are collectively called as halogen, mean salt producer. The reason for agencying such a name of these elements is that chlorine, bromine, and iodine, being highly electronegative, form ions Cl-, Br-, and I-. The last element of the group, acetylene, is a radioactive and its chemistry is much less known. All these are representative elements and belonging to the p block of the periodic table. General characteristics of halogens. Occurrence. Due to high reactivity, they are not found in free state. In combined state, they are found in the earth crust and seawater. Important halides minerals are fluorspar, topaz, cryolite, sylvine, cannelite, carnellite, etc. Electronic configuration. The valency shell configuration of these elements are of type NS2 NP5. NS2 NP5, thus they have 7 electrons in their valency shell, 2 in the S subshell and 5 in the P subshell. Among the 5 electrons present in the NP subshell, only 1 electron is unpaired. Thus, each halogen atom is shorter of 1 electron to attain the nearest noble gas configuration. The electronic configurations of these elements are given. Fluorine, atomic number 5, 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Chlorine, Cl17, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Bromine 35, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p5. Iodine 53, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p6, 4d10, 5s2, 5p5. Acetylene 85, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p6, 4d10, 4f14, 5s2, 5p6, 5d10, 6s2, 6p5. Physical properties of group 17 elements. Some important physical properties of halogens are: number 1, physical state. Fluorine and chlorine are gases at room temperature, while bromine is a liquid and iodine is a solid. Atomic and ionic radii. The atomic and ionic radius of a halogen atom is the smallest in its period. The atomic and ionic radii increased on moving down to the group F2I. Increase. On moving from left to right in a period in the periodic table, the nuclear charge increase, but number of shells remains the same. Thus, the effective nuclear charge experienced by valency shell electrons in halogen atom is the highest. This is why they possess the smallest atomic radii in their respective periods. Density. The density of halogens increase on moving down the group from F to I. This is due to an increase in the state of agglomeration as explained. Melting and boiling point. Highest possess low melting and boiling point. The melting and boiling points increase on moving down the group. Ionization energy. Ionization enthalpy. The ionization energy of halogens are very high. The ionization energy decrease on moving down the group. The very high ionization energies of halogens are due to their small atomic size and high effective nuclear charge. Since fluorine atom is the smallest, its ionization energy is the highest and it has no tendency to lose its valence electron. On moving down the group, the size of atom increase and consequently the ionization energy decrease. It is due to this decrease in ionization energy that iodine shows some electropositive character and has a tendency to form I plus ion by losing one electron of the valence shell. Electronegative properties. Halogens are very high values of electronegativity. Each halogen is the most electronegative element of its period. The electronegativity varies. Values decrease on moving down the group F to I. FClBr. F से I तक क्या होता है? High value of electronegativity of halogens are due to their small atomic numbers, atomic radii and high effective nuclear charge. On moving down the group, the atomic radii increase because number of valence shell increase and effective nuclear charge decrease. This is why electropositive values decrease. From F to I, fluorine is the most electronegative elements, non-metallic character. Due to their the down on moving down the group, the atomic radii increase and effective nuclear charge decrease. This is why electronegativity value decrease. From F to I, fluorine is the most electronegative element, non-metallic character. Due to their high electronegativity, all halogens are typical non-metals. There is no evidence of any metallic behavior even for astatine, which is the last member of the group. However, due to a decrease in electronegativity down the group, iodine exhibit a small slight metallic character in the sense that it has a metallic luster and has a tendency to form monopositive I plus and tripositive I plus 3 ions under specific conditions. Oxidation states. Fluorine exhibits only the oxidation state -1 in all its compound, while the other halogens exhibit -1, +3, +1, +5 and +7 oxidation states. Color. All the halogens are colored. The color darkness on moving down the group is clear from the following. Fluorine pale yellow कलर होता है, गाजियाबाद ग्रीनिश येलो होता है, कैराना सीएम चौथ, ब्रोमीन रेडिश ब्राउन, आयोडीन वायलेट. फ्लोरीन का पेल येलो, क्लोरीन का ग्रीनिश येलो, ब्रोमीन का रेडिश ब्राउन और आयोडीन का वायलेट। ऑक्सीडाइजिंग नेचर, बीइंग स्ट्रांगली इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव halogens have a strong tendency to accept an electron and form anions. X plus electron gives X minus. Thus halogens have a strong tendency to undergo radius reduction. It is this tendency which impart then oxidizing nature. All halogens act as a strong oxidizing agent. The oxidizing power of halogens decrease from fluorine to iodine.